Welcome to my vlog. Oh my god, ang init. It's too hotty. Ayan, ngayon naglalakad kami, papunta kami sa may, saan tayo pupunta? Where are we going? Samantha, where are we going? Disneyland. Oh man, it's hot. It's super hot. Ayan, watch out guys. Guys, maglalakad-lakad muna kami papasok sa pinakamasayang place sa buong daigdig. Today is gonna be special because andito ang aking Mother Earth. It's Yan, welcome to Disneyland. And it's their first time to visit Disneyland. Guys, medyo malayo-layo pa kasi ang aming lalakarin papasok. Kaya, ayan. Siya nga at pakikinggan nyo na ang, alam mo na, pag nadidinig mo yung ganitong music, alam mo na kung saan ka talaga. At masasabi mo, I'm here in the place where I belong. Good thing kasi hindi siya masyadong madaming tao ngayon. So, hindi crowded masyado ang aming pagpunta at medyo late na kami pumunta to avoid, alam mo na, very hot weather. Diba, kitang-kita naman, wala masyadong tao. Ayan guys, let's have fun. Ayan. Medyo matuwa-tuwa naman si Mother. Iba yung reaction ng face niya kasi first time, ika nga. Ayan, medyo slowly lang kami maglakad. Kasi alam mo naman, may elderly kaming kasama. Ayun niya kasi magdala ng wheelchair. Ayaw niya nun. So, dahan-dahan lang kami. Although, ilang beses ko na rin napuntahan eto. Of course, minsan, mas maganda pa rin yung ikaw lang mag-isa. Pero pagkasama mo yung mga bagets, so, bagets ka na din. Pero yung una nga namin pinuntahan ay ang Space Mountain. My God. Pero go sa go. Ang haba ng pila. Ayan, mag-start na kami. Tsaka hindi mo alam kasi madilim ang pangyayari This is it, pansit. Kaya sasakay na kami.
Go. Pero enjoy.
Ayan siya.
Ang pag-shagit-shagit. Alam mo yun?
Space Mountain.
Para
pupunta kami sa ibang planeta.
wala yung ano, alam mo na. Ayun na, tapos nga kami dun sa Space Mountain, pumunta kami dun sa may Iron Man. Ito maganda din to kasi parang alam mo yun, parang totoo talaga, inadadala ka din ng emotion mo. Ayan, mas maganda kasi kukunti lang yung nakakita. Ayan guys, ikot-ikot. Ayan, buti na lang talaga ako konti yung mga tao ngayon. Ayan guys, yung nagdaralo ba o pupunta kami dun sa It's a Small World muna, pero yung iba ayaw manood ng It's a Small World after all.
This way. This way. This way.
I don't know.
To 99.
Where?
It's following me. I did Evan also know.
We get to my mommy first.
Where is she?
She's there sitting.
I know.
Can I see yours? Where?
Napuntahan na nga namin siya, nakaupo sa tabi-tabi. Eto ngayon nakapila kami, pasasakay kami sa T-Pad.
Isa sa mga favorite ni Samantha ay ang yung sumakay sa teapot. Kaya every time na pumupunta kami dito, hindi po namin pinapalampas yung teapot.
Gabby, you want to ride it? I don't want to ride it. Yeah. Gusto mo, Matt? Masakay dyan ka na? Oh, I don't want to risk myself. Yeah, that's the first time. Let's see first. Let's see first.
Gabby, don't forget to take a picture.
Yeah, you can go. We can wait for you here. You have to see first. Have you seen it already? Matt, pwede ka makasakay dyan kung gusto mo. Ha? You want to see it? You want to see it first? Here, you can see that one Gabo. And then if you feel like you can, so you go in. We're waiting you here. Aunt Evelyn can. Yeah, that one. Gusto mo? Do you wanna go there? Like that? Yeah, we can ride now. We go to the Toy Story.
You told me I can ride it.
Yeah, we can go to the Toy Story ride our side. And then we can ride there. The bone is there, right?
No, but Auntie, how about
The Elsa one? There's no ride for the Elsa one?
It's starting to get better. Let's make the shape. That is going to make the shape, okay? This is the black thing. Yeah, that's gonna make the shape. And then make it bigger. Make it blue. Make it bigger. And I'm done with you. False. Here's the flower. Look, it's making it bigger.
Saka dito sa kabilang side para sa toy store. Sasakay kami sa may ano. Samantha, ano to? What is this? What do you call this one?
Slinky doggy.
Slinky doggy. Ah, have fun everyone. Samantha. Hi.
Hi.
I love you more than words can say. I'll be with you every step of the way. You are my sunshine, my only light. You make my world.
Ayun na nga, inabot pa rin kami ng gabi dito sa may Disneyland. Ha?
I'll give you all my love that
Yeah.
you know. You are my angel.
Can you call mommy? And then we'll ask that. Gabi? Can you call her like, mommy, we're waiting for the...
Can you what?
We're waiting for the...
I just asked what she's doing.
Yeah, you said you miss her. Huwag mo nang subukan. Oo nga.
Thank you for joining us on this special occasion. As you depart this evening, it is our wish that you and your loved ones continue to create memories in each and every moment. Memories that you'll cherish together as time moves on. Thank you, and please enjoy the rest of your evening here at Hong Kong Disneyland. Good night.
Good night! Macho, pula na yung cellphone
mo. Ako sunod kay... Ay! Sunod ganda. See you sa Philippines eh. Kung mahapit ako to lang kanino. Uy, lak, darakaw.
Uy, kanino mga cellphone niya, no?
Ha? Cellphone nanay mo pali.
Sandang din sa galan.
Sino? Hindi, sa may Kampustihan? Sa...
Malayo yun, Kampustihan.
Hindi, sa sa...
Wait lang.
Apong! Magto ka mo doon? Kung di pa ni pinito yun, namumotor ta lang din. Okay. Tiya mo lang mati. Medyo na naman sakyan. Tiya mo lang motor na ito, yung tamang sakyan mo. Uy, lak, abi mo. Medad ko na dito sa pinamon, pinamon ko ram ninyo. Abi na mo sakyan, masantay Jumbre. Pwede mo, si Jumbre ka, open mo talaga ka sakyan. Dapat lakang garing di ngay, bayad ikaw, driver lang. Yun lang. Ayan na akin silpa na mature eh. Bili lang na. Butang sa drawer na eh.
Ay, paano kaya yung electric fan nga rin? Dalaan nyo lang, i-start nyo lang iliwat.
11% yun sa akin eh.
Dalaan nyo lang sa
I-charge ko lang sa i-charge na ka
Hindi naman yun na.
Hindi yan ba?
Wala naman charger yun mami eh.
Bayan, hindi na. Bayan lang. Ay, nakira cellphone? Hindi ba yun din? Ito 11% lang ang
I-charge mo na lang.
Mura mo natin ikwenta, cellphone natin yung
Sus!
Okay, thank you. Aura na sa paano na rin?
Say hi.
Hi, hello. My beautiful cousin.
Yan tayo na ngayon. Pamura kita. Guwapo ko.
Banana ay babagin. Ay, tingin na rin. Tara.
Dura man tawag ulit. Yakara mo. Dura man tiga ulit.
Sis, di ba? Oh, Nay. Hi.
Welcome to my vlog.
Hi, ang mga gwapa. Bumit ka naman na.
Thank you sa pagbisita sa akin, Mother Earth. Salamat. I miss you. Ayan guys, manifesting po tayo sa 100K. Thank you so much for watching and for supporting my vlog. Thank you so